How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick video on Dogecoin because it does look like the dogs are awake, barking and moving. Shiba Inu, if you've not known or noticed, then have a look at my previous two videos. Sheep's woken up and it's currently putting like a 30% move in about 2.5 hours. So looks like this one could be starting a run. And as such, I thought I'd just cover Doge quickly so that you can all see where we are, where we've been, and what might happen. So this is the price action I've got going back until, well, pretty much the coin's inception really. We're looking at December 2013, where it did little to nothing, and then we started to move Jan 21, and then we had our all-time high May 21, and then since then we've tailed off, lost support, been stuck beneath the 618, wicked above for like 3 solid months, 4 even, you could count the fourth. Didn't manage to break above, and since then we've tailed off below the 786, and as you can see, guys, we're having a green month. Yeah. What can I say? Let's jump into the daily and see what's been going on. So we're essentially following a very similar pattern to what Sheeb has, where we're consolidating under the 786, and we're more than likely going to make a move. So if I just jump to the hourly, it's staircasing, and it's staircasing in a nice way. So realistically, will Shib get up to, not Shib, will Doge follow Shib's pattern and get us up to the next resistance zone at circa 1629? More than likely. And I will just say, I don't know if you've been following Doge, but every time we sort of fall down to around the 14-cent mark, or 13 on the odd occasion, 12 I think's popped in there, you don't lose money. You really don't. So if you buy in sub 14, you are gonna normally make about 10% as a minimum. So it may not sound a lot, but if you've got continuous 10% gains, it's not a bad thing, is it? You know, you get 10% gains 10 times over, you've doubled your money. But yeah, just so back to the task in hand. What's going to happen with Doge? If it follows suit with Shiba, we're more than likely going to complete this W here and have a nice little run up to about 1850, and that is essentially what I expect to play out over the next few days, that we're going to have a little attempt at breaking above 1630 and have a nice shot up to the 18.5 cent range. Now, can it go a lot higher? Absolutely. Am I going to be brave enough to say that it's going to do that in this video? I'd say keep an eye on a couple of factors that could make this one go. So that's a pretty thick line, right? 2 factors that could make this one pop off and have some renewed interest in it. Number 1, Shiba Inu absolutely flying will help this one to go. The dogs tend to run together. And then also we have our our celebrity endorser, who probably wouldn't admit that he's an endorser, but he has huge influence on when Doge makes a move. So yeah, you know, price action on its own, I think would take it to about 1850. And then what I'm going to draw from here will be Sheep taking off. And then what I'll do from there as well is if Elon sent a text or a tweet. And that's essentially it, guys. I can't see this one tailing off any lower than it has been. I see it moving higher. How high is very dependent on what happens in the world. And that's kind of it. It's a dog coin. There's very little to these. When they go, they go. So yeah, will this one correct to at least 1850? Yes, I truly expect it to. Can it go higher? Yes, if she continues. Can it go even higher than that? Yes, if Elon sends another tweet. Um, there's a lot of people speculating that Doge is going to hit $1 this year. I believe it can. I do believe it can. And I think that where we are is a very interesting moment in time where if Sheeb launches and some fresh investment comes into Doge, or some strong investment comes into Doge, as well as a tweet or some refreshed listings, with this going out on some other platforms, it wouldn't take much. So watch for the break is all I'll say. Watch for the break. If we manage to get above 19 strongly and hold support, this could just absolutely fly. Um, Not much else I can say. It's a dog coin, but all I can say is it's got better utilities and than Shiba. So again, I'll leave that there. It's not financial advice. This is something that you would have to take into consideration. Um, this one is more than just a bit of fun in comparison with Shiba. However, they are just dog coins. So that's that. Best of luck. See you on the next one.